Yes guys, I'm simply Branny. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm really happy that we are growing so fast. So if I'm to check right now, we have already hit 700 subscribers, of which means in 2 days we managed to get almost 100 subscribers. That's amazing. Like, I really appreciate the work you're putting in by sharing my videos, liking and commenting on my videos. So let's go straight to the point. Today's video, it's all about a strategy. As a new trader, whenever you think about trading, the first thing you're gonna think about is strategy. Like, what strategy can I use? Like, which strategy can fit with my trading style? I myself have learned about ICT, I've learned about SMC, so I've learned about pure price action. But right now, the reason why I trade with pure price action, I see everything like it's making my trading style so easy. I don't really need to worry about when to get in, when to get out. You get, actually, I'm not selling anything, I'm not selling any mentorship or signals. I just trade live with you guys. I give you free signals. I don't charge any single coin, so let no one charge you any single coin for signals and mentorship in the names of simply Branny. You get, so the link is just below. Tap in the link and go straight to my channel where I trade with you guys for free, and I share everything for free, knowledge and everything about trading. So let's go straight to the charts, guys. I want to show you how I manage to scale up. And guys, make sure you subscribe because this is very important. Like, for example, the strategy I'm gonna give you, it is very simple. I'm telling you this, like, very simple, a pure price action strategy. I want you to take a look. So I will use one formula which is called, I will call it simplicity. How does it apply? How can you use the word T to get an entry, to get a trade and get some money? I made a lot of money on this strategy. Till now, this is the strategy I use on gold in order to execute and make some money. You get, so let me show you something. Again, I will show you the mistake that people do while trading pure price action. But this video, let me teach you my strategy. First of all, as a day trader or a scalper, I will use this as it will depend because it works from all time frames, guys. For this, I will be using as daily because I'm a day trader. So we are using simplicity. I'm telling you this, like, for example, most of the time I will say that T, let me cut off T. First of all, you're gonna find a trend. You're gonna ask yourself, like, what is the trend? Which is trend. Uptrend, let's say uptrend, it's when we are making higher highs and higher lows. You getting me? In an uptrend, it's when we are making higher highs and higher lows. Then let's go to the downtrend. In a downtrend, you know, it's when we are making lower lows and lower highs. So that's T we are done. Like, which means whenever you come to the market, just first spot, where are we making high lows and high highs, or lower lows and lower highs? The next step to focus on, it is what is A? You ask yourself, what is A? A stands for area of value. Then here, what are the areas of value? Let me do this practically. For example, when you come to the charts, you're finding for the T, and that T, it is the trend. Let's say if it is a downtrend, we find that the market, it is making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Now let's go to the next step, which is A, area of value. What are the areas of value? Area of value, it is support. I use support and resistance. These are the areas of value. Meanwhile, trading this strategy, you don't need to trade from the middle. Are you getting me? You don't need to trade from the middle of the trend. Like, for example, when the market is coming from the resistance, sloping down to the support, and here you start selling. And another thing is, what is E? E, it's called entry trigger. Let's mark it out. When we go back to the area of value, which is support and resistance, here we sell the resistance and buy at the support, which means we are going to be executing from the areas of value. We are going only to be buying from the support. That is the trick. Like, at the support, selling at the resistance. That's all we're gonna be looking for. Like, buying at the support, selling at the resistance. So Here you will take a look, you'll find that this is the resistance we sell and buy at the support. That's what I'm meaning. Let's go to the entry trigger. What do we look at? Entry trigger, we are going to be looking at chart patterns or candlestick pattern. Entry trigger, we look for, are you seeing that? Next step, area of value. What are the area of value? The area of value, it is the support and resistance. If we are in a downtrend, we are going to be selling the market. We are not going to be selling from the support, but selling from the resistance. Only you're going to be waiting for the market from the support and toward the resistance and sell that market. So then the entry trigger, we're going to be looking at the chart pattern, but I prefer for you to be using the candlestick pattern, because the candlestick, they can really give you that really entry. I'm telling you this, not this. We don't trade the chart patterns. We trade what chart patterns represents. We don't trade candlesticks. We trade the meaning of the candlestick. So I'm going to break down most trusted candlestick patterns that I trust in order to execute in the market. So it's like this now. Let's go straight to the chart side so that I can show you something. This is a daily time frame. First of all, you will realize it. Well, we are in market trying to break down, like to go down, making the lower low. Are you seeing that? So we draw our area of value. The area we have this support. Are you seeing that support? So which means if we are in a downtrend, sell at the resistance. Start from the daily. Just go and practice this strategy the way you're watching this video. Like, this is the support right here, which means here we buy at the support. But when you go to the lower time frame, you want to see, since it is in a downtrend, you want to see something breaking. You want to see the market breaking this level, something like breaking it, retest to the resistance, so that we can sell that market. Then when you know that the trend now changed, if on a lower time frame, if we find that on a lower time frame that something like this happened, like the market failed to break this support and instead broke this resistance, then we wait for a retest to the downside and buy that market. But we don't usually just buy the market. We wait for the confirmation. I'm telling you this. You get, wait for the confirmation. There are some trusted, I'm going to make a video about the most trusted candlestick patterns by Simply Branny. We're going to watch that video. It is very nice. I've been shooting it and I'm going to release it soon. So remember, this is a high time frame, and this daily time frame, it can give you the bias. What is the bias? So let's go to the lower time frame, which is, you can go to the 4H, but I prefer using the 1H. From daily 1H 15 minutes, then 5 minutes for execution. Then let's go to 1H. On your 1H, I told you simplicity. We are finding a trend. Here it's when you can draw your trend lines. This trend line shows that, you know what, we are in a downtrend. Are you seeing that? We are in a downtrend. Are you seeing this? We are in a downtrend. So for the levels of support and resistance and trend lines, I draw them from the 1H. I really like 1H, because 1H, it can give you it all, like some of the time. So here, you're seeing that it's making lower lows and lower highs. We are waiting to break this level. If we break it to this point here, which means we are going to wait for a retest to the upside around this level of the resistance. It was a support, now it became a resistance, so that we can sell the market. If this market breaks, you can see we have this level around, we have this support around here. Are you seeing that support? That is becoming a resistance. It means if we break this level here, when we're gonna wait for the retest to the downside so that we can buy the market. But right now, we are just waiting. You will find someone selling from here or buying from here. He doesn't know whether we are breaking this resistance so that we can continue making higher highs and higher lows. We are breaking the support, continue making lower lows and lower highs. So let's play. And so most of the time, it's better to watch the market from the 15. I use 15 minutes to draw those chart patterns, like chart patterns. Yes. Then if you go down to the 15, I want to see these guys breaking here, this level, all going up, breaking this resistance, so that we can buy at the support, because the trend will beat. All right, let's see. We are seeing some rejection here from the support. Now we are not aware where we don't know whether we are breaking this support around here, this resistance. We don't know whether they can break this resistance so that we're gonna buy the support. So let's see what happens. You can see what do you see right here. You will see that these guys, they drop down after manipulating the people who are trying to buy from here with no conference, with no confirmation. You get someone's like, we violate this level, retest, and buy, got manipulated down. Are you getting me? Because I will trust sellers around this level here. You can see we have this support, right? So I will trust sellers from here after dropping and violating this level. For a retest, I will start selling. All I will buy from here. Guys, execute from the key levels. The rest, you just need to wait for the market to come to your level. That's why you find me pushing almost like 4 trades a week or 3 trades a week. I want to tell you this. The market, it will give you the confirmation. I'm telling you this. This is the support. Are you getting that? Got violated, came down, market went up, then came for a retest. What is the candlestick around there? What is the candlestick? This is very bullish engulfing. Are you getting me? That is a bullish engulfing. But I'm telling you this, you know what? I can't really buy from here because we are having so many key levels. Are you seeing that? Which means the market, it can make a head and shoulder and and retest from here and sell the market. That's why I can't buy from here. Are you getting me? Now, I will buy from here after violating this level. Or I will sell from here. I will be like, you know what? We violated this level around from, let's say we violated this level. Down, this is the neckline. Then again, I will not just sell. I will just wait for my confirmation to play out so that we can sell the market. Or I will just wait for the market to give me a confirmation at the level of this or at the levels of support. Because we already know that, you know what, we broke this trend line, went up, came back. All right, now let's wait and see whether we're gonna get the entry. Buyers are already in the market, we know that, right? Now we are waiting to buy at the safe place. Let's play. Boom, we broke this resistance, which means we were supposed to see some kind of sellers stepping in the market from this level, but you know what, we broke that level. Let's wait for a retest to the downside. Now I want to see my conference around here. So you see, there is no confirmation. There is no confirmation. All I am seeing inside candlesticks, whereby this shows that sellers are still available at the moment. Let's see. Are you seeing that? Boom. After retesting at the support, they gave us the confirmation, which is bullish engulfing. I like it. At the support, I just go all in. This is where I get to look for buys. This is where I get to look for buys. Stop loss down here. Just down there. Then they take profit. I'm telling you, there is a lot of levels. Remember, every time when the market reach around this supports area, resistance area, they make some small rejection. This will be my take profit 1, and this will be my take profit 2. You get almost 100 pips. I will just trust this level of resistance, and if we break it and make a retest, I will add more position. That's how I trade. So even if you go to the 5 minutes, 15 minutes can give you really a good entry, but 5 minutes, it can give you the best entry. Let's go to the 5 minutes and see what happened on that level. Now you will see that 15 minutes gave you an entry from this point, but 5 minutes, the reason why I like 5 minutes, they gave you an entry at this point, which is a very sniper entry. Are you seeing? After dropping, bullish engulfing, the market went up. So let's see how this, then my take profit will be around here. Then I will be taking partials whereby this is the level of resistance around. We have this level where I take profit, mini take profit or take profit 1, take profit 2. It depends. Let's play and see. You see how the take profit was just smashed. I hope you're learning something, guys. You get, because I told you daily you look for a bias. You be like, you know what, we are the support. This is the support. we buy at the support. But remember, on a daily candlestick, all day traders and scalper trade from the daily candlestick, just one candlestick, which means being at the support is not a big deal on a daily. It just gives us a bias in case we see any buyers stepping in the market, so that we can really trust the process. Then on a lower time frame, which is the 1H, you can see even smashed up to this point up. Now on 1H, you will find that this is when you draw your supports and resistance. Are you getting me? You look for the bias and the direction at the same time. Then you can see we have this support. This support, we want to see these guys breaking the support, turning into a resistance, so that we can sell, or buying while they are breaking the resistance, turning into a support. Write this down. Now here on a lower time from like 15, it's when we look for an entry. What are the entry? Entry, we look at the chart patterns or candlestick patterns. You can make your entry from 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but I prefer 15 minutes to draw the trend line or any chart pattern. You can see this channel all up. Then on 5 minutes, you look for an entry trigger, which is a candlestick pattern. You get? So the next video, I'm gonna break down the most trusted candlestick patterns. These things happens every time. You can see this is 1H. We broke this trend line. Are you seeing that? We broke this trend line to the downside. Then the market decided to break the trend line, then used a resistance as a support. We want to see what are the candlestick formed around here. Let's go to 15 minutes. Let me cut it here so that we don't go to the present. I want to see the candlestick formed here. It is bullish engulfing. Are you seeing that? So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe if you have learned something. I'm telling you guys what you're gonna do. Go back to your chart, back test, like start watching everything happening. Like take calm, wait for your setup, execute, like start practicing. Trust me, you're gonna make it out. I'm telling you this. Like I've been trading this strategy, and I used to, to meet a lot of traders. They could tell me, "What are you trading? What is that?" Like, but I'm telling you this: the market never changed. I mean, even if you go to the 2000 charts, you will find that these are the chart patterns they were playing out, and they are still happening in the market. I hope you subscribe, guys. I'm simply Branny. Make sure you hit the like button. Comment down. I want to know what you're thinking about these videos. Let's hit 1K subscribers, and see you in the next video. Boom.